A V8 engine is a type of internal combustion engine that features 8 cylinders arranged in 2 banks of 4, forming a V shape when viewed from the front. Here are some key characteristics and details about V8 engines. Configuration. The V8 engine has 2 sets of 4 cylinders that share a common crankshaft. These cylinders are typically arranged in a V configuration at an angle of 90 degrees, although other angles, such as 60 degrees, can also be used. 6+ source. 7+ source. This design allows for a more compact engine compared to inline configurations with the same number of cylinders, making it suitable for various vehicle sizes and applications. Performance. V8 engines are known for their high power output and torque, which makes them ideal for performance-oriented vehicles, including sports cars, muscle cars, and trucks. 8+ source. They provide a smooth power delivery and are capable of producing a distinctive exhaust note that is often associated with high-performance vehicles. 6+ source. Applications. V8 engines are widely used in a variety of vehicles, from luxury sedans and SUVs to heavy-duty trucks and high-performance sports cars. 6+ source. In motorsports, V8 engines are popular due to their power and durability. They have been used in racing series such as NASCAR and Formula One historically. 7+ source. Technical aspects. The V8 configuration allows for a balanced engine with less vibration compared to inline engines, contributing to a smoother operation. 8+ source. Modern V8 engines often incorporate advanced technologies, such as turbocharging, direct fuel injection, and variable valve timing to enhance performance and efficiency. 6+ source. Historical significance. The V8 engine has a rich history, dating back to its early use in the automotive industry. One of the first mass-produced V8 engines was the Ford Flathead V8, introduced in 1932, which became a significant milestone in automotive engineering. 7+ source. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: high power and torque, smooth operation, distinctive sound, and compact design for its power output. Disadvantages: